Hello, welcome back. I hope everything is fine and today was a day when you were able to take some time for yourself. Sometimes it feels good to just sit here and listen to something. This could be one of those moments. You wanted to do something nice for yourself and you came. I think this is a great decision. By the way, did you get your tea or decaf? Go grab a cup of something right now, because we'll be talking about that sweet feeling of producing soon. Even if it's short, it's enough to set aside this time for yourself. If you're ready, we'll start. 1. Why should we spend time with DIY projects? Do-it-yourself projects are not just for filling free time. In fact, they are a great way to mentally relax, reduce stress levels, and feel more productive. Doing something with our hands, being in that process brings us to the moment. And this is really very valuable in today's world. Moreover, what we call producing does not necessarily have to be a big carpentry job or a work of art. Even a tiny decor, renovating an old object, or making a useful box can make you feel much better. 2. Easy and effective ideas for getting started. If you say, I don't know much manual work, it's no problem at all. Here are a few simple but enjoyable DIY ideas that you can easily do at home. Jar decorations. You can paint old jam jars and turn them into pen holders, candle holders, or tiny flower beds. Do-it-yourself note board. Cover a cork board or an old cardboard with fabric, hang your notes, photos. Box organizers. You can organize the interior of drawers or desk by lining shoe boxes. Cloth bag from an old t-shirt. You can turn it into a bag that you can carry even without sewing with easy cuts. None of them are complicated. And believe me, the moment you start, you don't understand how time passes. 3. Why is the feeling of productivity important? When we reveal something, our brain releases dopamine. This makes us feel accomplished. And that feeling moves you to the next move. You spend your time at home not only relaxing, but also making it valuable. Instead of watching something and going through it, turning that moment into something physical, this is the purest form of productivity. For learn and improve with DIY. Do-it-yourself projects are not just about the object that appears. During the process, you learn patience, you do trial and error, you gain new skills. Moreover, you can do it not alone, but also with your family or friends. This also strengthens the bond between you. December. 5. A little challenge. Choose a project this week. Now I want a little something from you. After this video, choose a small project from the internet, Pinterest, or your own ideas and try to do it this week. If necessary, proceed slowly, but definitely start. It will add a lot to you to see how you feel when you finish. That's all from me for today. I hope I was able to give you both ideas and motivation. When you are alone with yourself, don't forget to feel the peace of producing. See you again in the next video in such a simple, sincere conversation. Take good care of it.